Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Maria. Today I will talk on a very important topic, that which painkiller is safe during pregnancy. A pregnant woman can experience any type of pain during pregnancy. It can be headache or backache. In Pakistan and India, painkillers are more frequently used as candy. So important question is that which painkiller is safe in pregnancy. I will tell you the main type of painkillers that are often used at home. The first group of painkiller that is mostly used at home is acetaminophen. It includes paracetamol, Panadol and Calpol. All these have same chemical formula. A pregnant lady can use it in all the trimesters of the pregnancy because it has no teratogenic effect. But the researchers show that the use of acetaminophen during pregnancy can cause psychological disorders like autism and ADHD. Another important group of painkiller is NSAIDs. If it is used in pregnancy, it can cause premature closure of ductus arteriosus that will lead to the congestive heart failure and can cause the stillbirth. As NSAIDs are blood thinner, they can cause maternal bleeding and the neonatal bleeding. The most important NSAID is aspirin. The use of aspirin during pregnancy is associated with the gastroparesis, which is the birth defect. However, low dose of aspirin can be used in pregnancy if indicated and only by the prescription of your gynecologist. The other important NSAIDs are ibuprofen and the Toradol. The use of them during the pregnancy is associated with the miscarriage and the stillbirth. Never use NSAIDs after 32 weeks of pregnancy because they can cause premature closure of ductus arteriosus and can cause stillbirth. And also, as they are blood thinner, they can cause maternal bleeding, mean antepartum hemorrhage, intrapartum hemorrhage and postpartum hemorrhage. Another important type of painkillers are opioids. Opioids are the narcotic analgesics that if used in pregnancy can cause IUGR and stillbirth. They can also lead to the neonatal abstinence syndrome, in which neonate suffers from tremors, irritability, sleep problems and high-pitched crying and seizures. So never ever use opioids. The most important drug used at homes is the tramadol. So the question arises, which medicine is safe during pregnancy? The answer is acetaminophen. So you can use acetaminophen if only it is indicated and in therapeutic dose. So acetaminophen can be used in therapeutic dose. Always consult your gynecologist in case of any problem because it is about two lives.